just flying over a wide distance to relieve the pressure created by the inflammation and infection, get the stuff out. And even then, I would say we've got a considerably less than 50-50 chance of getting